So we're going to look at converting Bachmann branch lines Midland Railway CRAB to DCC digital, and we're using the length standard 8-pin decoder for this. So first thing to do is to uncouple the tender, so we can just unhook and remove. And then there are two screws to remove, so the obvious one is back here. And then there's one hidden underneath the front bogie here. It's actually a relatively straightforward conversion. There's just more screws than some locos. So just going to lift that one out. And what you need to do now is just lift this back plate a little bit so that you can free the tender coupling. Once that's out, it will allow the chassis just to drop out of the locomotive. Ease it up at the front, there we go. You also need to remove this front weight. Oops. Once that's out, recover the screw from it. And you'll find in the parts bag there is actually a decoder tray. So that will go back in, we'll just screw that in. So we've now screwed in that decoder tray there. This is the 8-pin socket, and what we'll do is we'll just pull the wires away around from it and remove the plug. It's there. Tucked away on one side here, it actually says pin 1, so the orange wire, or the first pin, goes into this socket here. So we've got the orange wire that way round. Push that in. So yes, that orange is the pin 1. Now we'll just try and tidy up the cables, and we will use the sticky pad to stick the decoder into the tray. So in the decoder box you will get a double-sided sticky pad, which we've just put on, and we'll just affix the decoder into the tray, and we'll then just use the gap at the front of the tray there to just push the wire down and get that out of the way as well. And then it will be a case of just putting the body over the top. Just make sure you don't catch the wires when you're putting this in. Oops. Need a bit more room at the front. There we go. I'll just grab these stray wires, feed them in. Oops. That's it. You put the rear screw in, you'll need to get the tender coupling back in. So if we just lift this back plate and feed the coupling back in again. That's it. It's in there now, so we can put that screw through. Here we are on the main running track. I've left the decoder completely on factory settings for this demonstration. It is a fully DCC NMRA compliant decoder, so it will work with any DCC system, and Lens is renowned for its motor control, so absolutely beautifully smooth running decoder. Straight from the box, and to be honest I haven't actually run the loco in, which we should do, so running in just allows the pickups and the drivetrain to bed in fully. But even straight from the box, this is a very nice runner. And all testament to Bachmann as well, their mechanism allows this smooth running as well. So there we are, a DCC conversion, relatively painless, straightforward job.